Next topic is relation between coefficients of trigonometric form and exponential form. Already we know the coefficients of trigonometric form. What are the coefficients of trigonometric form? A naught, an, bn. What are the which is the coefficient of exponential form? Cn. Okay, na. First, already we know if n equals 0, the exponential form equals to which one? If n equals 0, exponential form equals to which one? దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందమ్మా? ఏ నాట్ వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా? ఇఫ్ n equals 0, the exponential coefficient of exponential equals to first coefficient of trigonometric form. Next, see the a n b n value calculations. Okay na? X of t equal already we know. Okay na? The Fourier series of x of t in trigonometric form is a naught equal sigma n equal 1 to infinity a n into e power j n omega naught t plus e power minus j n omega naught t by 2 plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity sigma n equal 1 to infinity bn sin n omega naught t. Here we are writing cos term in terms of exponential, complex exponentials and sin value. Okay na? Also in terms of complex exponential. So let a cos x is the one value. The complex exponential form of cos x is e power jx plus e power minus jx by 2. Next, complex exponential form of sin x is e power jx minus e power minus jx by 2j. Okay na? The complex exponential form of the cos and sin terms. Next, substitute the values. Instead of cos, substitute the exponential values. Instead of sin, substitute the exponential values. X of t equal a naught plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity a n e power j n omega naught t plus e power minus j n omega naught t by 2 plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity b n e power j n omega naught t minus e power minus j n omega naught t by 2j. It is the complex exponential form of the sin and cos terms. Next, here 1 by 2 is constant and 1 by 2j is constant. We are separating from this one. an by 2 and bn by 2j. Here 2j having in the denominator, that is changing into numerator. Okay na? Denominator moving into numerator. Okay na? bn by 2j, that equals, here I am multiplying j by j. Okay na? On this equation. Okay na? If I am adding j by j, what is the value of this one? bn by 2j is there, and again I am adding j by j. bn by 2j into j by j. Then what is the value? See, both j by j both cancel na, value is same. bn by 2j only will come. Okay na? Next, j by j bn by 2 into j value is j square. Already we know the j value. What is the j value? What is the j value?
Square root of -1.
Okay, na square root of -1. J square is there. Okay, na square root of -1 square. Square root and square both will cancel and we can get the -1. The is become as a minus j bn by 2. Minus j bn by 2. Next, to substitute the minus j bn by 2 in this equation. A by 2 plus this one minus j bn by 2, this one. Okay. Next, to multiply. Okay, first to separate the 1 by 2 from this and multiply the e power j n omega naught t with a n and j minus j b n. Here also multiply the e power minus jn omega naught t with an and jbn. One by two. Okay, now 1/2 common చేసాం. n equal 1 to infinity an e power jn omega naught t minus jbn e power jn an e power minus jn omega naught t. Next minus jbn e power jn omega naught t minus into minus plus. Okay, now plus jbn e power minus j omega naught t. Next I am writing e power jn omega naught t terms first. Next I am writing e power minus jn omega naught t as a separate. Okay, an e power jn omega naught t minus jbn e power jn omega naught t plus an e power minus jn omega naught t plus jbn e power minus jn omega naught t. Separate the e power jn omega naught t. Okay, na an minus jbn into e power jn omega naught t plus an plus jbn into e power minus jn omega naught t. Next x of t equal a naught plus 1/2 sigma n equal 1 to infinity an minus jbn into e power jn omega naught t plus an plus jbn into e power minus jn omega naught t. Here let cn equal an minus jbn by 2 and c minus n equal an plus jbn by 2. Let cn equal this one and c minus n equal this one and substitute into this equation. So for substituting, first I am writing this as a an minus jbn by 2. Here 2 is common for these two things. Okay, na. Next I am multiplying with 2. Okay, na. an by jbn by 2 will come into e power jn omega naught t plus an plus jbn by 2 into e power minus jn omega naught t. Substitute the cn value and c minus n value. Okay, cn and c minus 1 n value substitute. Just the equation is x of t equal a naught plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity cn into e power jn omega naught t plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity c minus n into e power minus jn omega naught t. So next I am want to convert minus n term into plus sum. So this negative value into positive value. For that, what I am taking minus n as a m. Okay, now let m equal minus n. Okay, now minus negative value I am converting into positive. Okay, now m equal minus n. Next see the lower limit and upper limit. Okay, minimum value, maximum value. First see the minimum value is n equal 1. Then what is the m value here? If n equal 1, then what is the m value?
Minus 1.
If n equal to infinity, what is the m value?
Minus infinity.
Okay, now substitute the values. So here see the sequence, minus 1 to minus infinity or minus infinity to minus 1, which is correct, minus 1 to minus infinity is correct or minus infinity to minus 1 sequence is correct?
Minus 1 to minus infinity.
No, minus infinity to minus 1 is the correct sequence. Okay, na. Why? Because minus 99, minus 98, minus 97 in this order only will come the values. Okay, na. M equal minus infinity to minus n minus 1. Substitute the m value instead of minus n. Okay, na. Cm into e power minus n is there. E power j m omega naught t. Okay, na. Next, see the limits. At n equals 0, a naught value will come. Okay, now if n equals 0, a naught value, we can get the a naught value. Next, what are the minima and maxima value of c n value? Student, n equal 1 to infinity. Next, what are the minima and maxima of m? m equal minus infinity to minus 1. Okay. Now, so these three limits I am writing as a first minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, minus infinity to minus 1. Next value 0. Next value 1 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1, 0, 1 to infinity. So first observe that this entire sequence minus infinity to minus 1 value is there. After minus 1, what value we need? Which value will come after minus 1? After 0. Okay, 0 is okay. Next after 0, which
1.
value will come? 1. Next 1 to plus infinity. So this entire sequence I am writing as a minus infinity to infinity. Is it correct or wrong? This entire sequence I am writing as a minus infinity to infinity. Both are same or not? Please check these two things. This one and this one. This one I am writing as a minus infinity to infinity. Is it correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay, now n equal minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power jn omega naught t. Okay, now it is the final equation. X of t equal n equal minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power jn omega naught t. So already we know the Cn value. Here, what is the Cn value? An minus jbn by 2. See here, Cn value taken as a an minus jbn by 2. Okay, now an minus jbn by 2 and let n equal 0. What is the C naught value? Already we got that value. N equal 0, C naught equal a naught. Okay, now correct or wrong? C naught value equals to a naught only. Okay, now next this equation written as a Cn equal 1 by 2 an minus 1 by 2 jbn. That written as 1 by 2 an minus j into 1 by 2 bn. Okay, now so already we know the real values and imaginary values. Here, which are the real values, which are the imaginary values in this equation? Which is the real value, which is the imaginary value?
1 by 2 an is the real value.
Okay.
1 by 2 jbn is the imaginary values.
It is the imaginary value. First, the real value of Cn. Okay, now real value of Cn is 1 by 2 an. Okay, now from this, what is the an value? 2 into real value of Cn. Next, take the imaginary value of Cn. So imaginary value of Cn is minus 1 by 2 bn, minus 1 by 2 bn. From this, bn value is minus 2 im Cn. Okay, minus 2 imaginary part of Cn. So already we are calculated C naught value. C naught, okay, now a naught equals C naught. Next, an value is real part of Cn. Bn value is minus 2 into imaginary part of Cn. Okay, now is it correct? Is it clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
anyone having doubt, please ask me in this topic. Okay, now relation between coefficients of trigonometric form to the coefficient of exponential form. A naught, an, bn to the cn. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Otherwise, we will go for next topic.
సార్ ఇంకోసారి బ్రీఫ్ గా చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, now for evaluation of for deriving the relation between a naught to cn, an to cn, bn to cn. Okay, now see here.